Welcome back to Cozy Space Living, where beautiful apartment ideas meet practical inspiration for everyday living. Today, we're exploring the bold apartment decor trends that are transforming interiors with striking personality, luxurious finishes, and unforgettable style. Whether your apartment is compact or spacious, these ideas can help you create a home that feels both fashionable and uniquely yours. If you love apartment decorating ideas that combine elegance with creativity, don't forget to subscribe to Cozy Space Living. Give this video a like and share your favorite trend in the comments below. Your support helps us continue bringing inspiring interiors and clever decorating tips every week. From dramatic color palettes to sculptural furniture and artistic details, we'll reveal 10 exciting trends that are making apartments feel more sophisticated than ever. Let's begin the transformation. Neutral rooms are giving way to bold shades that instantly create depth and personality. Deep emerald, sapphire blue, burgundy, charcoal, and rich terracotta are becoming favorite choices for accent walls, cabinetry, and upholstered furniture. Instead of overwhelming the room, these luxurious colors are often balanced with lighter ceilings, natural wood, or soft neutral flooring. The result feels dramatic while remaining welcoming and comfortable for daily living. Layering complementary accessories such as artwork, throw pillows, and decorative ceramics helps unify the palette, creating an apartment that feels thoughtfully designed rather than overly colorful. Furniture is becoming functional art, with curved silhouettes, bold geometric forms, and distinctive profiles taking center stage. Sofas, chairs, and coffee tables now contribute as much visual interest as paintings or sculpture. Rounded edges soften apartment layouts while introducing an upscale atmosphere. Organic shapes naturally improve movement through smaller rooms and reduce the boxy appearance common in apartment interior. Combining sculptural furniture with simpler surrounding pieces creates balance, allowing each statement item to stand out without making the space appear crowded or busy. Today's apartments celebrate the beauty of combining contrasting materials. Marble, warm wood, brushed brass, textured stone, ribbed glass, and matte finishes work together to create rich visual layers. Instead of matching every finish perfectly, designers intentionally blend textures to make interiors feel collected over time. This approach introduces sophistication while avoiding a showroom appearance. Even a few carefully selected accessories featuring premium materials can elevate an apartment and give everyday spaces an expensive custom-designed feeling. Large-scale artwork has become one of the easiest ways to make apartments appear more luxurious. A single dramatic piece often has greater impact than several smaller decorations competing for attention. Abstract paintings, oversized photography, and expressive canvas art create strong focal points while reflecting the homeowner's personal style. They also help define seating and dining areas in open-plan apartments. Choosing artwork with colors that echo nearby furnishings ties the room together and creates visual harmony throughout the apartment. Lighting has evolved beyond simple function to become decorative architecture. Eye-catching pendant lights, artistic floor lamps, and sculptural ceiling fixtures add instant elegance even before they're switched on. Layering ambient, task, and accent lighting gives apartments greater flexibility while highlighting beautiful architectural details, shelving, and decorative display. Selecting one bold lighting centerpiece in each major room helps establish a memorable design identity without overwhelming the overall interior. Texture is replacing excessive decoration by adding visual richness through materials rather than clutter. Boucle fabrics, woven rugs, linen curtains, velvet cushions, and handcrafted ceramics create inviting spaces full of warmth. The contrast between smooth and textured surfaces encourages every corner to feel more dynamic while maintaining a calm and comfortable atmosphere. Carefully layering textiles also improves comfort, making apartments feel cozy without sacrificing their refined contemporary appearance. Storage solutions are becoming architectural features instead of hidden necessities. Custom shelving, dramatic cabinetry, and floor-to-ceiling storage maximize every inch while contributing to the apartment's overall design. Colorful cabinetry, integrated display niches, and decorative shelving transform practical storage into stylish focal points that celebrate books, art, and curated collections. Combining open and closed storage creates visual balance, keeping everyday essentials organized while allowing favorite decorative objects to shine. Natural materials continue to dominate bold interiors, but they're now paired with stronger colors and refined finishes. Indoor plants, wood textures, stone accessories, and handcrafted pieces soften dramatic design choices. This blend of nature and luxury creates apartments that feel both energetic and relaxing. Organic elements introduce balance while preserving the elegance of contemporary styling. Adding greenery throughout the apartment also connects separate rooms, creating a consistent design language that feels fresh and timeless. This year's bold apartment decor trends prove that luxurious interiors are all about confidence, creativity, and thoughtful combinations of color, texture, furniture, and artistic details. Even small updates can dramatically transform the personality of your home. Thank you so much for spending time with Cozy Space Living today. If these ideas inspired your next decorating project, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment sharing which trend you're most excited to try in your apartment. We appreciate every viewer who joins our decorating community. Stay tuned for more apartment inspiration, clever space-saving ideas, and stylish design trends that help every home feel comfortable, elegant, and uniquely yours. Until next time, happy decorating!